Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to convert raw photo to PNG on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Locate the raw photo you want to convert to PNG. So let's say this is the raw photo I want to convert to PNG. To confirm that the photo is actually raw, click on the information icon. Then you should say opposite the name of your phone. Then this is the file format, which is raw. Now, to convert this raw photo to PNG, all you need to do is click on the share button at the bottom left. Then you want to share this. You need to scroll down and then select Save to Files. Then select where you want to save this. In this case, just click on the back button and then save this to your iPhone. So once you click on Save to File, select Save to iPhone, click on this drop menu, hit the back button once, then select On My iPhone. Click on the check mark at top right. Now close the Photos app. Go ahead and open the Files app. Once opened, locate the photo you moved to the Files app text. Now, to convert the photo from RAW to PNG, press and hold the photo. Then you should see this menu pops. Swipe down and then click on Quick Actions. Then from the pop, locate and click on Convert Image. Now you should see the image format you can convert the photos to. So to convert from RAW to PNG, select PNG. Now select original size. Now if you scroll down, just scroll down silently until you get to the photo. Press and hold the photo. Then scroll down again. Click on Get Info. Now you should say PNG. That is now the kind or the image format. If you open it, it's going to open as a PNG photo. Click on the information icon and you should say PNG confirmed. And that's it. So that's exactly how to convert raw photo to PNG on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.